Welcome. I'm here to help you prepare for your upcoming exams. QandAHelp provides a reviewer-checked library of past questions for WAEC, JAMB, and NECO, helping you see exactly how these problems are structured. Let's look at WASSCE Mathematics question 25 on the board. Take a close look at this expression. Unlike a standard equation, we have two different inequality signs, a less than or equal to, and a strictly less than, all within one problem. Think of this middle part, 4x plus 5, as a car that has to pass through two connected checkpoints. It must satisfy the rules on its left and the rules on its right at the same time. We solve this by splitting the problem into two separate inequalities. By breaking it in half, we can clear each checkpoint one by one before finding our final range for x. Looking at this first piece, our goal is to isolate x. We use the balanced scale method, meaning whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other to keep the inequality true. We subtract 2x from both sides to group our variables on the right. Then we subtract 5 from both sides to move our constants to the left. This leaves us with -8 is less than or equal to 2x. Now we simply divide both sides by 2, which gives us -4 is less than or equal to x. It's often easier to read an inequality when the variable is on the left. By flipping the entire statement, -4 is less than or equal to x becomes x is greater than or equal to -4. Here is an important exam tip. The inequality sign only reverses its direction if you multiply or divide by a negative number. Since we divided by a +2, our sign stays exactly where it is. We have successfully found our first boundary. Now try the second checkpoint on your own. Pause the video here and use that same balanced scale method to solve for x. Let's check your work. Subtracting 3x from both sides leaves us with 1x on the left. Then, subtracting 5 from both sides gives us x is less than 2. Now we combine them. Since x must be greater than or equal to -4 and less than 2, we write it as one continuous statement. -4 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 2. This merged result defines the specific corridor of numbers satisfying both sides of the original problem. Visualizing this on a number line helps avoid multiple choice mistakes. We place a solid circle at -4 since it's included, and a hollow circle at 2 since it's excluded. The shaded region between them represents all possible solutions. Comparing our work to the exam options, we can see that option A matches our solution perfectly. Let's practice with a new variation. For the left side, we subtract x and then 4, which gives us -3 is less than or equal to x. For the right side, subtracting 2x and then 4 leaves us with x is less than 4. Combined, our solution is -3 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 4. Now for the second one. Subtracting 2x and adding 1 on the left gives us x is less than 6. On the right, subtracting 2x and then 9 gives us -2 is less than or equal to x. Merge those, and we get -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 6. The process for compound inequalities is consistent. Separate the problem at the center, solve each inequality independently, and combine your boundaries into a final statement. For more in-depth practice across all your WAEC, JAMB, and NECO subjects, visit us at QandAHelp.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Keep studying, and I'll see you in the next lesson.